What's up, America? The folks sitting with me here today are real-life mechanics. We're here to get to the bottom of why car repairs are so expensive and why CarShield is America's most trusted auto protection company. Let's get to it. How long you been a mechanic?
I've been doing this for about 30 years. Every day's a different experience. Every day's a different adventure. I like to make sure everybody's happy, the customer's happy, the car's done right.
So why are vehicles out of warranty more likely to break down?
The manufacturers are very smart. They designed these cars with an end of life. It will fail as the warranty expires. Say over 60,000 miles, it'll start breaking down.
They're gonna break down, definitely. Just a matter of when.
When somebody has CarShield, what's the experience when they come to you?
You drop off your car, we verify your concern, we notify CarShield, usually get an instant approval, put you in a rental car, and get you back on the road as quick as possible. I show them what it would cost if they didn't have CarShield versus if they did, and they can't believe how many thousands of dollars they're saving on this repair and how easy it went through, and the deductible is pretty much all they have to worry about.
How has being a mechanic changed since you guys started?
Most challenging parts about being a mechanic is keeping up with technology these days. That's the hardest part. As these new cars come out, it's new software, new tooling, is a constant evolution.
Technology has totally changed from just the basic, everybody could fix a car 30 years ago, to today. You need so much education, background, computer knowledge.
And there you have it. No other company protects drivers like CarShield. The bottom line is, if you're driving an out-of-warranty car, you could be putting yourself at risk of paying thousands for car repairs. Call CarShield before a breakdown happens.
Get covered repairs paid. Call CarShield now for your free quote and to lock in your rate with their price lock guarantee. Call now. Call 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554.